September 6th at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. September 6th. Just woke up about, or 3:30 p.m. I just woke up about 3 p.m. Been home all day and night since since August 26th when I got groceries last. Just woke up about 3 p.m. Been sleeping since around 11 a.m. 11 to about 3. I went out by my road signs for about 5-10 minutes just to prove I was home, and several cars drove by. But I didn't do anything other than point at myself, as I always do. But I got my Reedland Savings Bank shirt on. It was indicated about one of my guitars. It's a Chesbro Takana, made by Chesbro or distributed by Chesbro in the USA. I got that on goodwillfinds.com, and the receipt for it is pinned to my @realwade51 Twitter account that I was locked out of May 31st when the frauds broke the screen on my phone, one of my phones that had those accounts on there. Both the Google account that was associated with @realwade51 and @realwade51. The receipts on there from the email account, if you follow the proof of the orders on the pinned tweet on @realwade51 that's still on there, you can see that I bought that guitar on Goodwill. That was my account @realwade51, as well as twitter.com/Wade. Yes is. I've been updating that and put my theory, more outlined my theory of what light particles again. I put a paper on there yesterday, and that I had outlined my theory of wave particles or light particles, how they originate, that they're already pre-existing undetectable mass amongst electrons, and when the electrons get excited, they bump into them and send them hurtling through space. And since they're off balance, they travel in a waveform. If they're packed in tight, then they transfer from energy from one light particle to another and acted as a wave in that sense, just like people at a sporting event used to mimic doing the wave. But it's not physically the same thing, but visually it's the same thing. But I was explaining how my theory differs from conventional science, that the electron emits a photon. My theory says that these particles are already pre-existing amongst all the electrons and tightly packed in and around stars and galaxies where we live in a solar system. Obviously would be in our atmosphere as well. So I explained that yesterday and put that paper, picture of that paper, several pictures of that paper that I had written it. And that's my theory as well. I don't collaborate, as I said many times before. I know someone will try and steal the idea right away, as they always do, the thieving cowards, no honor, no integrity frauds. But I put that on my twitter.com/Wade. Yes, and it's pinned to the top on there as well. But there's a post that, if you scroll down, that shows when a time date stamped with the picture attached to it of the paper that I wrote of light particle theory. Anyway, it is again about 3:30 p.m. September 6th, 2023. Been home all day and night since August 26th. And I'm Wade Allen Heineman. I have green eyes, 6'1", 10.7-inch hands. Graduated Wapsie Valley High School in 1990. Born 11/4/71. Natural male heterosexual, always and forever, 8 to 9 inches, 3 to 9 inches. 8 to 9 inches erect, 3 to 6 inches when not erect. I have to say that due to all the surveillance lies that I'm female in some way or transgender, which I've never been.